So hi friends, this is our second experiment in our AR/VR lab. Today we are going to see how we can change the projection of a camera in the Unity to view from different perspectives. So first of all, this is a scene window uh, where the hierarchy menu has main camera and direction light. In the project window and in the asset folder, I have exercise 2 folder and there's a model folder there. There I have a violin 3D object. I place it in the hierarchy menu so that I can change its transforms position, uh, 0, 0 and 6.5, so that it is just in front of the camera, so we can view clearly in game window. Just right click on the hierarchy window so that you can see the UI option, and there is a canvas there, and right click on the canvas game object and create a UI button that's inside the legacy. Give the name of the button as a perspective BTN. BTN stands for button. And expand the BTN and change the text there in the inspector window to perspective, and just click anywhere in the scene or in the hierarchy to save that text. And you can see it now in the scene window. There is a button in the center of the canvas. You can navigate the scene window using a right click. There eye icon will be appear and you can move using WASD keys. And there is a react transform option in the perspective button. You can change its anchoring position by pressing the alt key in your keyboard and just where you want to place it. I want to place it in the uh, bottom left, so I am pressing that. Press R on your keyboard to get the scaling tool, and we can scale the button. Just confirm that we are selected in the perspective button game object. We can press the W and we can move it. Now you can press Ctrl D to duplicate that. I am changing that perspective to a next view button, and I'm changing the text in the next view button to a next view, and I am choosing the anchoring with pressing the alt key, and in the center, sorry, in the bottom center. Now you can duplicate the next view button and change the name to an orthogonal button, and change the text. When you expand the orthogonal button, you can see the text and change it to orthogonal, and click somewhere in the scene or in a hierarchy and change its anchoring position by pressing the alt key to the bottom right. So I'm moving it with the W key, and that's all. This is an UI for now. And I am collapsing that, which I expanded earlier, and I have a script inside exercise 2 folder in the script, and I am placing it in the main camera, and I am dragging and dropping the target object as my 3D object violin and main camera and the next button I have created, and the uh, perspective button and the orthogonal button. Now in the main camera, I double clicked it, or you can press F to focus on the main camera, and you can see it there in the game window. We can see the perspective and next view and orthogonal. I press play, and if I press orthogonal, it's going to have the same height and size, and in perspective it's different height and different size. We can move along with the next view also to change the rotation and the direction of the object, and perspective to orthogonal. Yeah, that's all. This is our exercise 2.